championship.
Turning the sun on a funeral to the same office you better talking about working in cubicle. The boys had it locked down in the code. Not a debate in my new world. Not the 3, not the 2, and the yeah. You know, me and Trizzy did like the Super Bowl. Man, then the biggest of
He is your BCW Origin champion. Please say hello to Showdown.
This match for the Origin Championship. Shotgun Adam defending against Double King. Man, Kevin, reinforcements. I've been looking forward to this one all day. This is going to be an exciting match.
As the saying used to go years ago, this is going to be a barn burner for sure.
I look at the twist and start sucking my teeth. I'm letting it rock because I let them asleep. I still want to give me a song where I be. Can trust everything that you
Shotgun has held that championship for quite some time.
I do believe it's close to a year, Professor, if not slightly more. And interestingly, if I recall correctly, it was Jiggy Sosa that he took out for that championship.
Yes, sir. But with PJ Volva separating the two of them, they're ready to go at it now.
Referee showing the fans that this is for the Origins Championship.
There's the bell.
Double G getting the crowd going.
He went for a lockup. Shotgun Adams out of the way.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are joined in the booth. Special guest Q the Pit to give his take on this match. Q, what are you seeing going on here today, my friend?
I see Double G going to get his today. I don't know, these two guys are real good, but you know what? Last show, I had shown him already beat. If it wasn't for Jay Bricks right now, I would be in this match going for the championship.
And we were there to call that, Professor. And Hugh is spitting nothing but facts right there.
Absolutely. These two guys are great athletes. I have nothing but respect for Double G. Shotgun Adams, great U-turn. awesome guy. But this right here, this should have been my match.
I agree with you, Q. Definitely, you know, we were here. We saw what happened in the outcome of that match. Wow, what a hurricane runner right there. And he does it again. Double G is bringing it.
That was a beautiful drop kick there.
I do believe this is Double G's first shot at gold here in BCW, Professor.
I believe you are correct. Now, things could have been different. Q, you may be a future contender for that championship as well.
Well, I came out here to see what's going on because most definitely this title is going to be part of Paid in Full. It's just a matter of time.
I believe that.
And as I say all the time, Paid in Full, Q the Pit, flyest in the room, Fly 9 Noriega, not to be trifled with.
Not at all.
You're taking over BCW.
I think you're taking over a lot of places, my friend.
We came here to show what we got. We're tired of all these cornball bozos running around here, playing wrestlers, playing referees. We got it all. As you know, I'm one of the greatest refs that came in here in the Indies, and now I transition to the wrestling world. Paid in Full, Fly 9 Noriega, Easy Cash, the man with 1,000 locks. We're here to take over, and we're like, we're Paid in Full. We need gold. We're coming for gold.
It's only a matter of time. I mean, we know that Fly 9 is the Coliseum Pro Wrestling Champion.
Just a matter of time when we take over. These guys are doing a hell of a job, giving everything they got.
Two of the hottest young stars in the New England area.
Absolutely, Professor. This has been an excellent match so far. But see, this is where, you know, Shotgun stepped in the booth last month. And I will say this, it wasn't quite the pleasurable experience that I'm having with Q the Pit next to me. But, you know, Shotgun can be a little cocky.
That's what happens when you're young, you know? I was young and cocky myself, but now I'm old and cocky, but it's just confidence. So I understand where Shotgun is coming from.
Absolutely. He's working over Double G now. That was a big knee drop right to the chest. 2 count only.
And see, now Shotgun wasting time arguing with Ref PJ.
See, that's what's wrong when you have too much confidence.
He should be working over his opponent and concentrating on Double G. Now that knee to the spine just stretching Double G here. Trying to wear him down and make him submit.
And that move just wreaks havoc on your shoulders, man.
It's a painful move when they stretch you out.
Some people go and pay their chiropractor to do that, but I don't think so. Shotgun still in control here, Professor.
Into that corner, you just heard that ring, the metal of that ring. Oh, stinger splash right there.
I think the ring moved about 2 inches when he was thrown into that corner.
Yeah, a lot of momentum on him.
Oh, big right hand, right to the jaw. Shotgun not playing around.
Referee needs to get these 2 men off that rope.
Yeah, Ref PJ needs to step in.
He's counting.
Double G with shots to the ribs. Now he's trying to go up.
What's he going for?
What a maneuver!
Oh my goodness.
Off that top rope, just driving Shotgun Adams to the mat.
These 2 guys are amazing.
Folks, you heard that impact. And for those of you who think that a wrestling ring is like jumping around on a bed, folks, I can tell you, it is not. There is about 1 inch of foam on hard boards and steel. That hurt. There's no two ways around it.
Double G getting the crowd riled up here.
Double G's got a lot of fans out here.
They're trading blows back and forth, but Double G's starting to get the better of him.
Oh,
Big chop to the chest.
you hear that across the arena. In the ropes.
Back body drop.
Back body drop right there. Huge. Huge forearm. And the crowd's going berserk in favor
Shotgun
of
is
Double G.
staggering around.
Reversal there by Shotgun. Reversal by Double G. Power slam.
Nice.
Oh, that was about 2 3/4.
That was close.
Ref PJ's hand was about 5 inches from the canvas of ring in 3. Counting 3.
Double G now with that right hand to the head of Shotgun Adams.
Oh, what happened? Oh my God.
He did.
Double G went for
just got
5 minutes has elapsed. 5 minutes has elapsed.
double arm DDT
Come
right
on,
there.
come on.
No referee. PJ Bova is down.
Come on,
I
Rock.
hate to say it, Shotgun had the victory.
He had
This
that.
match was over.
Come on.
Shotgun trying to wake the referee up while Double G is still dazed.
hold on.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
That's Jiggy Sosa. That's Jiggy
What
Sosa.
is Jiggy doing in there?
Both men are up. What's going on? Oh! He just nailed
Jiggy just
Shotgun
nailed
Adams.
Shotgun with a super kick.
He's just winning.
What's going on?
Now Double G calling for
Is Jiggy and Double G, what's going on?
The ring looks like they're in cahoots with each other.
well, we mentioned earlier, Q, just before you got in, that it was Jiggy that Shotgun beat. Oh, wait a minute, we got it. 1, 2. We got a new world champion.
Ladies and gentlemen, your winner and new Origin champion, Double G.
This place is going bananas.
New Origin champion Double G with the assist of Jiggy Sosa. That was unbelievable. By hook or by crook.
Congratulations to the champ. To the new champ, congratulations.
Cue the pig.
Keeps that warm for me. Gentlemen,
Cue the
see you
pig.
guys later.
It's a pleasure, brother. Thank you.
My pleasure, gentlemen. Have a good one.
Thank
Good
you.
luck in your match, brother.
Unbelievable. By hook or by crook, Double G is the champion. We should be up there. We should be up there.